When you're a parent and if you have a child who has a problem with their vision or eyes, it's an incredibly frightening experience.
When I met Dr. Fredrick and I came to the New York Eye and Ear, I was so impressed. He was like, "Don't worry, we got you. I'm gonna make sure that we do the best for Mia. She's a beautiful little girl and I'm gonna give her a bright future."
I think that every ophthalmologist goes into the field because we have the rare gift and opportunity to be able to provide people with vision, restore vision when it's been lost, or grant vision or give vision when they never had it before.
Our family's journey here at New York Eye and Ear has been one that I can't imagine somewhere else. Being at the New York Eye and Ear, I just felt that Mia was gonna get the best possible care that she needed.
Mia was born in March, right in the middle of the COVID-19 pandemic. Now, both her parents are legally blind. When a child has a cataract, it's very different than when an adult has a cataract. When an adult has a cataract, it's not an emergency. It can be taken care of at any time. In a child, it's completely different.
The urgency was a very big deal for us. He said the sooner we did it, the sooner her eyes could start developing normally.
If they are born with cataracts in both eyes, the clock starts ticking. And we have 2 months to get the cataracts taken out and to get the child into their contact lenses or spectacles they need in order for their vision to develop properly.
Dr. Fredrick was the best doctor that we could ask for. He made everything simple. He explained everything with detail. And he just made the whole process easy, that we felt comfortable putting Mia in a situation to get surgery so early. Hearing everything that he said and his confidence, it just made us feel a lot more confident.
Both parents are visually impaired. They're at lockdown in New York City. The buses aren't running much at all. The subways aren't running. Taxis are hard to find. And they have to get their child to us so that we can arrange surgery. But they did. They did this through amazing perseverance and dedication to Mia. We were able to get her surgery scheduled, and it went very well.
After the second surgery, the next day, she grabbed one of her toys for the first time. We noticed a couple days later she was smiling more when she saw our faces. It brings so much joy to my heart.
To see her smile is really indicative that she can see the world just as well as every other child.
It helped us feel more comfortable to know that the person who's taking care of our child is compassionate and caring. When we had to do the contacts for Mia, he was hands-on and he said, "I will be hands-on until you get it."
There was even a situation where we had run out of eye drops and Dr. Fredrick had come to our house to deliver them, which was amazing.
He called us, said, "Hey, I'm down here by your neighborhood. Is it okay if I bring you the drops so that you guys don't have to make an extra trip to the hospital?" And just getting that surprise call took a lot of stress off of us.
I'm confident that Mia is going to have excellent vision. I'm confident that her vision is going to be better than both her mother and her father, which is what they've wanted since the day she is born.
Alex and I put a jingling toy in Mia's crib and we attached the little hook to one of the bars of her crib. And the first time that we ever saw her reach for it and grab it and shake it, we were completely blown away by the fact that she knew where it was.
Mia's future, I hope that she can have anything that she wants to have. We just always said we wanted her to be able to do the things that we could not do, whether it be drive a car, study to be a doctor, or to fly a plane, or just do anything that involves your sight. And I'm here just to help her and support her in that way. I'm just thankful that we were able to be introduced to such a great doctor.
We're grateful to the hospital. We're grateful to the people who surround him and who help him, who helped us.
To be able to be a witness to that is really very special and very gratifying, and one of the reasons why I love being a pediatric ophthalmologist.